Good afternoon. This is Sarah Honeydew on September 23rd, 2015 for J&S Biblical Productions. We are at the South Side Chicago plant of Smith Brothers, the oldest cough drop in America, founded in 1847 by brothers William and Andrew Smith. We are here to see how this old company does with new marketing ideas. The present owners, Herb and Herbal Smith, are inside looking for new modern sales techniques like the parable of new wine in old bottles in Luke chapter 5, 37 to 39. Let's join them and see how they are progressing.
Hey.
Welcome. How are you guys?
Really good.
It's good to be here.
Like cough.
Here, let me show you my idea with the dancing girl replacing the cover of the old box. Instead of the drawings of your ancestors, William and Andrew, this will be featured in the new TV campaign ad. Show 'em, Paloozie.
Oh. Maybe you should have her do the dance, cough a little bit, take the cough drop, and then smile.
I agree.
Maybe the coughing isn't realistic enough. Maybe try to cough a little harder,
More coughing.
and then take the cough drop and smile.
Better coughing.
Yes.
All right, here we go. What now?
Do you think maybe it's the outfit, something more appropriate to go with the music?
We've got better.
Okay.
The outfit change. Here we go. Now,
Maybe the outfit should be more old-fashioned to keep with tradition.
old-fashioned, you say? I've got just the ticket. Sounds good, right?
Well, maybe something more classic?
All right, you're in luck. I have that too. Classic it is, eh? Can't get any better than this. What?
Excuse me. I am Bertha Sedgway. I'm the receptionist.
Who?
Bertha Sedgway, receptionist here. I have an opinion.
I bet.
I think you two brothers should go out of business.
No, we're not.
As in, the Pharisees of Jesus' time, you can't adapt to change or new ideas of methods of business. You're finished, right?
Go away. Get out of here. Get out.
The Smith brothers are exactly like the devout Pharisees, real examples of the old vintage with no allowances for the new religious ways, as in Luke chapter 5, 37 to 39. A new wine is not compatible with old bottles. This is Sarah Honeydew for JNS saying old coffee shops had to advance, just as religion had to advance in the days of the Pharisees. And good afternoon.